Good day and welcome to sales. Here we've got a beautiful 2006 GMC gas with a pony motor. This truck is mechanically sound and ready to work today. Take a look at it here. This is before the reconditioning process here with sandblast, prime, and paint. But it does work good, operate good, and just takes a regular driver's license to drive. It's one thing for me to tell you and one thing for me to show you. Now take a look here. We're going to show you up here, upstairs. Take a look here. I'm going to get here in the back. Show you the inside back here. If you'd like to see any more clips or see anything up close, just let me know. Take a look here. The frame is a bit rusty. Interior is respectable, but definitely can tell she's used. Got a good tire here in the front. 2006 GMC, just takes a regular driver's license to drive. The boom's nice and tight, works good, operates good. We're currently running off of the Kubota pony motor. You can also run off of the truck engine, so you can run off either one. Works good, operates good. I'm going to slip over here, raise up the dump body, show you that works. Take a look under here. We got a very nice, it's not rusted through. Take a look at it here. Nice truck. Makes somebody an awesome lot of money. My grandpa made over $1 million with a truck just like this. Thanks again for watching our video.